Today I'll be reviewing a selection of the Forests' finest cuisine. No Michelin stars, yet.
First course, forest caviar. Alive, protein-rich, with an earthy wiggle.
Notes of damp log and regret. Possibly poisonous. We'll find out in 10 minutes.
This berry's sweet. That one's tangy. The third tastes like heartbreak and raccoon hands.
Crunch factor, 10. Taste? Like eating a Christmas tree wrapped in sandpaper. Bark jerky. Tough, chewy, and full of fiber? Pairs well with regret.
Not sure if it's food, medicine, or a portal to another realm. Let's find out together. Forest dining. 0 stars for safety, 5 stars for adventure. Would I do it again? Already digesting.